Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up bond funds for retirement with Vanguard detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Vanguard website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Select Personal Investor from the menu. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the investing section. Look for bonds and bond funds. Read about the different types of bond funds available. Consider factors like investment goals and risk tolerance. Click on Select a Bond Fund to explore options. Review the performance history of each fund. Take note of the expense ratios associated with each fund. Decide if you prefer a specific type of bond, such as government or corporate bonds. Now, click on the fund you're interested in. Review the fund details thoroughly. Pay attention to the minimum investment requirements. If you're ready, click the Invest Now button. Choose the investment amount you wish to contribute. Select your funding source for the investment. Review your selections and confirm the investment. Now, set up a recurring investment if desired. Consider automating contributions for consistent growth. Monitor your investments regularly. Adjust your strategy as you approach retirement. Stay informed on market conditions that affect bond funds. Consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance. Keep track of performance against your retirement goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.